Hello mate, how's it going?
All right, mate, nearly there.
Yeah,
so these fittings made up into this accumulator.
Yeah.
So hopefully give your heating a bit of shunt in the morning.
Brilliant. Yeah, I look forward to that.
So yeah, it's going okay.
Awesome.
Got some flexible connections here.
Yeah.
Some for the bottom. Yeah, it's looking good. So we've got to take these 2-inch fittings out of this existing stuff. Get some 1.5-inch bushes in.
Yeah.
And yeah, hopefully.
I look forward to seeing it running, mate.
Yeah, shouldn't be too long over, mate. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, nice one. Result there, mate. Come undone nice and easy. And the valve isn't letting by. So
Yeah.
bonus.
Perfect.
Bonus all round. Right, we're just going to remove this automatic air vent. Now we've tested it, pressure tested it, just to stick in a couple of litres of X100 inhibitor.
Yeah.
That will just protect the circuits and the inside of the radiators and the boiler, etc.
Yeah, it stops it from corroding, doesn't it?
Any corrosion and rust and stuff, and lasts for a few years, mate.
Brilliant.
If you don't, you end up with pinholes inside out for the radiators.
Yeah.
And then you get the seams going. It's just so corrosive.
Yeah.
Dirty heating water. It's just not what you want at all, really.
No. So how long have you been a plumber, Richard?
Since I left school, mate. 1982. Man and boy.
Wow, brilliant. So a few years.
1982. Yeah, 40 years next year.
Wow.
40 years. Yeah.
Blimey.
Yeah, a long old time. I was the last intake of City and Guilds craft apprentices.
Oh, right, okay.
So they changed it after that to brought in a thing called a youth training scheme.
Yeah.
That's it. It's basically slave labour. You employ you for £25 a week for a year, then no commitment of a job.
Yeah.
And, most people were sacked, and that's what started the shortage in the building industry.
Oh, right, okay.
People weren't prepared to.
Of course.
Of it, and
we'll work for a year, isn't it?
Yeah,
For
exactly. And a lot of people, a few kids done it from school. No chance of any long-term job at the end of it, and that was it. And it went from there really. So.
But you were the lucky one.
I was sneaked in there, back door, last one. Yeah, 4 years. Now 3 years at college, day release.
Yep.
And then a year as an improver.
Yeah.
Where I passed my qualifications, and then that was it. Yeah, I've been self-employed since I was 21, I think, 22.
Brilliant. Wow, that seems really interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how things have worked out. So yeah, and now working in France.
And now you're here.
Yeah, here we go. People say, is it different? I said, well, pipes are pipes, you know what I mean, wherever you are. It's just a route for some water to go down, that's what it is really. So just a slightly different system over here with a lot of things. Hence had to buy quite a lot of new kit and stuff, new tools.
Yeah.
But most of it crossed over. So yeah, it worked out too bad really. But lucky really, because I've never had a trade. I think I'd have struggled to make a living over here really. Or,
Yeah.
You know, but yeah, it's worked out okay really. Can't grumble anyway.
Brilliant, mate.
Especially if you've got cast iron radiators and steel pipe work, it just
The mixture.
just gives it a bit of a
So what are we doing, Richard?
Well, I think we've got a broken gate valve, mate.
Yeah, I think we. Yeah.
So
The water's not circulating, is it?
no, it's just if that gate breaks off, which it might have done. Well, it's not been undone for a few years, but. If this gate is broken off in the closed position, we're
What's that mean? Something burst. Let's have a look. Oh no, the water's burst. Look. Can we go turn the water off? Yeah, let me go turn the water off. Bit of drama today, isn't it?
We'll have a look, mate. We'll have a look. Alright, wet with you, mate. Wet with
Yeah.
you.
Whoa. Flooded in here.
Bit of a strange one, mate. Right, that's what's there.
Well, we were just working down here and the mains water decided to burst, didn't it? Does it just pop out of the fitting?
It's just kind of strange one.
Very strange. Very strange. Do you reckon that's alright now, yeah?
I think so, mate. Yeah, try to push it back on, mate.
Alright, mate, yeah. I'll go and turn it back on. Right, let's put the water on. See if it works. There we go. No leaks?
No, it looks okay, mate.
Okay.
Right. Bit wet on the floor.
Yeah, it's alright.
Most odd.
Right, one problem. Now we've got another one to fix.
Yeah. We can do which one, mate. Let's have a little go.
The top two are closed, yeah?
Yeah, that off, mate.
Yeah. The bottom one?
There you go.
Yeah. So I'd say these valves are about 40 years old. This is put in the 80s, this system, I think.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
I think they've seen their best years.
Never been opened up before, mate, to be honest with you.
Yeah,
I wouldn't have thought anyway.
yeah. Always need a bigger bucket. There we go.
There we go.
It doesn't seem to want to stop, does it?
It comes through to him, mate. It just won't go past that.
No, I know, yeah. It's unusual, isn't it? You think the pump's knackered?
Bloody same, mate, really.
Well, it certainly doesn't seem to be doing its job, does it?
It don't feel very,
No,
does it?
it doesn't at all.
I mean, the spindle's free and it's all running around on its own.
Hmm. It's doing its
You can feel
job.
it pulling through there, right?
Yeah, you can, yeah.
Mate, tonight, yeah?
Yeah, they're fine, mate.
Yeah.
They're not going nowhere.
No, they might dry out by the water.
So we haven't discovered the issue yet,
No.
but I reckon we will tomorrow.
There's definitely some air caught up in it, mate, somewhere,
Yeah.
I'd say. I'd definitely say that.
Yeah.
So,
There's
well,
definitely
I
some.
don't think, I mean, that pump wouldn't have just stopped.
No.
You know what I mean? I don't think it's just stopped.
No,
As a matter of fact, it's just got some air.
probably airlock upstairs somewhere.
It's
Isn't
only
it?
partially drained, mate. It's
Yeah.
just ain't got enough grunt to push it round.
Mhm.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
All right, then.
drain. We'll drain it off in the morning, mate. Finish that bit of pipe work.
Yep.
And,
Okay,
we should be
brilliant.
Okay. Give it a
All right,
whirl.
mate. Yeah, I look forward to tomorrow then.
No problem, mate.